Looking for a fast, precise, and economical way to weld stainless steel flexible hoses? Meet the Mini Flexi Hose Welder, your ultimate solution. In the world of flexible hose manufacturing, precision and efficiency are key. The Mini Flexi Hose Welder, MFHW, by Nikit engineers is designed for seamless welding of stainless steel and metal hoses, including female nut connector welding, ensuring durability, leak-proof performance, and unmatched consistency. Whether you're in automotive, aerospace, or industrial applications, this machine is built to deliver superior results with ease. So, what makes the MFHW stand out? First, precision female nut connector welding. The MFHW ensures strong and uniform welds, creating a perfect bond between the hose and the connector, critical for high-pressure applications. Next, automated torch movement. The welding process is fully automated, eliminating manual inconsistencies and guaranteeing repeatable, high-quality welds. It's also highly efficient. With reduced welding time and minimal heat distortion, you get stronger, cleaner, and more reliable joints in every weld. The MFHW is versatile, designed to handle various hose sizes and connector types, making it suitable for multiple industries. And finally, user-friendly controls. The simple interface makes operation quick and hassle-free, reducing the learning curve for operators. Now, let's see the MFHW in action. Notice the flawless welding of the female nut connector, the seamless fusion, and the smooth automation? This is the future of flexible hose welding, built for strength, precision, and reliability. With the Mini Flexi Hose Welder, you get high-precision female nut connector welding, automated process for fast and consistent results, compact, cost-effective design, leak-proof, durable welds for high-pressure applications. Whether you're a manufacturer, supplier, or industry expert, the MFHW is your go-to solution for flawless stainless steel hose welding. Looking for a fast, precise, and economical way to weld stainless steel flexible hoses? The Mini Flexi Hose Welder is your ultimate solution. We serve across industries. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Contact us at sales@nikitengineers.in for any inquiry.